Hi everyone, Miss W here, and this is a video that is going to teach you about this name project that I've given to you in this Google form to do, and then also I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Drive app on your phone to turn in your work, and then how to get the links to turn those in from the Google Drive itself. So great video. This is one that you can actually save and refer back to throughout the year whenever you need to turn in work and you're not sure how to do it. So first of all, this is the name project. It's very simple. All I want you to do is select 2 items from your supplies list and draw your name in a fun way. I kept it simple. I didn't want to take too much time on this, and I don't want you to take too much time on this either. So just keep it simple, make it fun. I used purple because that's my favorite color, and green, which is my second favorite color. If you want to fill up the whole page, you can. If you want to keep it simple like I did, that is fine as well. So now we're going to look at how to turn this in. I'm going to show you how to use the Google Drive app to upload your artwork into Google Drive and then be able to turn it in with a link. So we're going to start by, first you need to go to the App Store on your phone or your parent's phone, and you need to download the Google Drive app. If you have a different type of phone other than an iPhone, you can go and you can get this from there, whatever their app store is. But you want the Google Drive app, and it looks like this. So it's got that little triangle. And then whenever you're ready to submit your artwork, like our very first little project that I have you guys doing where you do your name, and I'll give some more details this on in a minute, all you have to do is go to the app, okay? You're gonna find the folder that you wanna save it to. So all of your folders will be listed here in the app itself, okay? I am gonna go to this folder because this is where my art folder is. And I'm going to hit the plus symbol down here at the bottom. It's a circle with a plus. You're going to choose use camera. And what this does is it brings up your camera. And now what you can do is you can line it up over your artwork, which is what I'm doing right now. You want to make sure that you're getting a really good picture. Watch your shadow. A lot of times your shadow will be in it depending on the lighting. You don't want any edges. You want to make sure you've got all the edges in. You're going to take a photo. And it's going to give you an option, and you'll see that photo. So here's my piece of artwork from my sketchbook that I did for this first little art assignment. And I'm going to say if it's good, I have a little bit of a shadow here so I could retake it. For this project, I'm not going to care so much. If we're really looking at colors and looking at all of the edges, then yeah, you might want to retake it. But either way, this is good for this. We're going to say use photo, and that's automatically going to be added to your drive. So now I'm going to click off of this webcam, and I'm going to go to another webcam and show you, once it's on your drive, how you can put that from your drive, get that link, and turn it in. Okay, now that we have our pictures saved into our Google Drive, we are going to get the link to turn it in. First of all, I've already changed the name, but it's normally going to be saved in your drive as something like image, and then it'll have a number. Sometimes it'll load what the picture actually looks like, and you can see it that way. If not, just go and find one that you have not changed the name to yet, and then click on it to make sure that that's the right one. Once you know it's the right picture, go back and right-click and hit rename, and then go ahead and change the name. I named this one the name project since that's basically what it is. And then hit OK. Now that you have it organized and named correctly, you're going to go back into the picture, and you're going to click on these 3 dots and then click share. And it'll either already give you a link, or you're going to have to click on this get shareable link icon, and it'll pull up a link. Once you have that link, you can hit copy link, or you can hit Control C, And then you're going to go into the form that you want to turn it into. For this one, it's this Welcome to 6th Grade Art form. And you're going to copy it into the form. And then that gives me a direct link to your picture. And this is a method that you can use to turn in all of your artwork that I ask you to turn in, either to a form or to a portfolio. So let me show you one little difference. If you have to turn something into a portfolio box in Connexus, you can't just simply turn in a link, unfortunately. So I'm going to show you a little tip that I would like you guys to use this year, and that is to create a Word document. Everybody should have Word. If you don't have Word, we have a free Microsoft Office that you can buy through GCISD, or not buy, you can get it for free through GCISD. Most of you use this for other courses, so hopefully you have Word. You can name this or save this as, I'm just going to save it to my desktop for now. If you have another way you want to organize this, that's fine. But I'm going to save this as 6th grade art portfolios. And then I'm going to copy that link, that same link of whatever it is I need to turn in, into that document. And I'm going to hit save. And then now I can upload this document into Connexus in the portfolio option. I will say this, you're going to need to remember not to make sure you update this link. So if you, next project, you can use the same Word document, just delete this link. And whatever link you have for that art project, just copy it back into the Word document, and you can turn this Word document in again. And so this is a really easy way to turn in your work without having to download a PDF to your desktop and then turn it in that way. This kind of just keeps it all in one place. All of your artwork does need to be saved in your Google Drive, which brings me to the next little thing I would like you to do, which is provide me your Google Drive link. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. You're going to go back to your folder for art. And once you're inside your folder for art, so right now I'm currently inside my art folder, I'm going to go to this little icon right here, which is Get Shareable Link. And I'm going to copy that link into the form. And so now I'll have a link directly to your Google Drive, and it'll be shared with me, and I will be able to see your work that way as well. So this is how to do both of those things using the Google Drive application or app for your phone is probably the easiest way to get work into your drive, and then also showing you how to use the links to turn things in. Make sure you fill out the rest of this form. If you have any questions, please let me know.